Let me ask you something. How many times have you reached for your phone without even thinking? Or opened an app, scrolled, and suddenly lost 45 minutes of your life? What if I told you that's not just distraction, that's addiction in disguise? Addiction doesn't always look like bottles or pills. Sometimes it's binge watching until 3 a.m. Sometimes it's needing validation from likes. Sometimes it's food, caffeine, porn, even work. Anything we use to numb what we don't want to face. And the worst part, we call it normal. We say, that's just how life is. But deep down, you know it's not. Imagine you're stuck in a room and the door is wide open. But every time you try to walk out, something invisible pulls you back. That's what addiction is. A comfortable prison, and every scroll, every hit, every escape strengthens the lock. So how do you break free? 1. Name it. What's your thing? Don't sugarcoat it. Clarity kills denial. 2. Interrupt the loop. Put friction between you and your habit. Delete the app, move the snack, block the site, replace it before it controls you. 3. Fill the void. Don't fight it empty. Habits don't disappear. They get replaced. Read, walk, call someone, create something. Build what addiction has been numbing. Because here's the truth. You don't beat addiction with willpower. You beat it with a new direction. So ask yourself, what would your life look like without this habit? What would happen if you took just 1 week to fight back? Are you living or just escaping? Today can be the day you turn the page. Not next week. Not when you're ready. Now, commit to change, even just a small one. And if this hits you where it matters, subscribe, because this isn't the end of your story, it's the beginning.